welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to replace your AVCS solenoid on your Subaru WRX or STI. Alright, so before we get into today's install, I just want to remind you that every Subaru build is different. So what we did is that we removed our entire intake system and we also loosened this coolant reservoir up at the top, just so that we can get down to this guy right here. This is what we're going to be pulling out and replacing. And then we're also going to have to get rid of this guy with the 10 mil. So that's what we're going to be doing. And this is all located on the passenger side or the right side. So the first step is to go ahead and take your 10 mil box wrench, should focus, and go ahead and loosen this guy. Now that we have taken off the bolt, go ahead and take a flathead, at least that's what we're using, and we went ahead and clipped it right over here. It's focusing correctly. And then you can use another flathead to push it off, or you can use the same one, whichever works for you. Now that we have unplugged this, go ahead and wiggle this guy out. You might need to use a few pry tools. Oh fuck. So you got it cleaned up. Obviously, warning, you know, put like an oil or like something to catch the oil when it comes out. A towel so it doesn't drip all over your engine, and try to be a little bit more careful this time. We tried pulling out the AVCS earlier and we realized that we had two oil hoses stuck in the way. So we took that out, we removed it, and now that we can finally clear this guy. Go ahead and take your new one, just so that you guys know. These are not directional, so just go ahead and take one of them. It should already be pre-lubed, and we're gonna go ahead and put it back in. It should click. Once you guys hear that click, that means it is properly seated in. Go ahead and line it up with the bolt, and then we will go ahead and plug this guy in. Wait for you to hear that click, and then let's go ahead and grab that bolt, and then we will go ahead and reverse everything that we just did, and I will go ahead and speed it up for you guys. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the driver's side. So for the driver's side, we're using a ratchet. We're using two extenders because it's really far in there, and we are using a 10 mil. It's this guy right here. I already broke it loose, but we're going to go ahead and take it out. So let's go ahead and get that started. We had to remove another oil line because it was in the way. We might have to remove another one, but we're going to try and remove it now. Okay, so everything has been properly assembled and tightened down. Other than that, let me know how I did in today's video. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at wrx'n, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! I'm scared. I'm scared. It's everywhere. Ow. The guy made it look so easy. Dude, what the hell?